Hello and welcome to another lesson. In this lesson, I will show you how to protect your .NET software using an obfuscator known as Confuser 1.9. Confuser 1.9 is the predecessor of Confuser EX. If you were to look for Confuser EX download, you will see that Confuser EX is a free open source protector for .NET applications. It is the successor of the Confuser project. So in this lesson, we are going to first start off with the Confuser 1.9. Today, most people are using Confuser EX because it is more powerful than Confuser 1.9. But let us first study Confuser 1.9 first before we move on to Confuser EX. In the previous lessons, I already showed you where to download and we have already installed this. The new thing is DIE, which you should download from here if you have not already downloaded, and install it. Now, the next thing we need is the CrackMe. We will be using CrackMe 18. And CrackMe 18 you can download from Cracking Lessons website. Go to Challenges and then here look for CrackMe 18. So when you double click on CrackMe 18 and enter some name in here and enter any wrong serial key, and when you click on check, it will work as expected. And now if you were to open this with DIE, it shows you that it is a .NET framework and there is no protector. And if you open it with dnspy, you should be able to decompile it easily, and you can expand on it and examine the source code. There's the button click event handler here, and so on. So let us now try to protect this CrackMe. I'm going to delete it from the nspy. So to protect this software, we can use a obfuscator. So we use Confuser 1.9. So we double click on Confuser 1.9. This is the dialog box you can see, Confuser 1.9. We will now open CrackMe 18 with Confuser 1.9. Then we click on Options and we'll use a packer, compressing packer. Then click on Basic Settings and under here select the preset maximum, meaning use all of the protection. So you enable all this: anti-DASM confusion, constant confusion, name confusion, anti-debug confusion, all the way down to anti-dumping, reduce metadata confusion. So confusion here is the method to obfuscate the program so that it makes it difficult to be cracked. Then we go to Advanced Setting and then we select this, and then we also select Maximum, and you apply all this. Then we click Apply to Members, then we click on Confuse. So now it is started obfuscating, and you can see the log file here. the output of the process of obfuscating. Yes, so it is completed. Now if you head over to your folder for CrackMe18, you will see a new folder has been created. Inside it is your confused, or rather obfuscated CrackMe18. Double click and see to make sure it can still run, and it still works. Just enter a name and some wrong serial key, click on check, and you still get your error message. Now let us try to open it with DIE. And this time DIE will show the protector Confuser 1.9. So this is the usefulness of DIE. It can tell you which protector is used to protect the software. Now if you open this with dnspy, dnspy will decompile it, and let us now expand and see the content. And you see there's a lot of gibberish. We are now not able to read the code because it has been obfuscated. Let us go to the entry point. And the entry point is also obfuscated. So it is almost impossible for us to read all this text and understand what is going on. So this is a process of software protection for .NET Framework programs. Thank you for watching.